Of her achievements in the world of technology. Isha invented a revolutionary supercapacitor, a battery that only needs 20 seconds to charge and can last for 10,000 charge cycles. She has just started her freshman year at Harvard University, but we have the honor of having her parents here to accept this award in her place. Before this felicitation, I would like to call Vednanda Ji to the mic to say a few words for us.
Will you please join me in again thanking and in giving our gratitude to San Jose State University Yuvas. As I watched them and as I looked at their enthusiasm, I felt that there is absolutely no doubt that what Swami Vivekananda taught us, what he gave us as a message, and that message is that Hindu Yuva are going to bring about in the whole world his message. And message is that harmony, that world peace can certainly be achieved only through Hindu thought, only through Hindu values, and those are the values that at the present time Swami Vivekananda's message gives to the whole world. I'm sorry, could you kindly, so I want to remind you that it was 150 years ago that Swami gave to the whole world the thought that Vedanta, that yoga, that dharma, these are the values that can bring global peace and harmony. And today, as you and I look around and see religious, ethnic conflicts in Syria, look at the war in Afghanistan and in Iraq and all over the world, you come to a conclusion that people are unwilling to tolerate, people are unwilling to accept, people are unwilling to respect differences. And he is the one who taught us that we ought to celebrate differences, not simply that you can tolerate someone. When you say, I tolerate you, what you are saying to the person is that I am superior to you and I simply can tolerate you. But Swami Vivekananda said, we need to go beyond that. It's not simply tolerating, but it is accepting. It is respecting the differences. As I watched our Yuva with great deal of enthusiasm, dancing and singing, I felt and I looked up and I thought that Swami Vivekananda is up there. He is enjoying it, he is smiling, and he is smiling at our own Yuva. And he is telling our own Yuva, imagine a day when I said what I gave the message can be realized, that it's not simply words, but those words have meaning. And I want you today to think about it, that a man of vision, a man of action who came here, gave us his advice, gave us his message, we are the ones who are inheritors of that great tradition. So kindly join me today in paying a tribute to Swamiji. Join me today in saying that in the days to come, I will be the one who will make it realize his own dream and make it a reality. I am deeply honored to inaugurate this program. I wish you the very best. And to the Yuva of our San Jose State University, I give them my own pranam. And I want you also to kindly join me again in thanking them and in paying tribute to Swamiji, and to say to Swamiji that what you did 150 years ago, you came to this world, you gave us a message. We are the ones who will live up to that message and make it a reality. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Vednanda Ji. Please remember that we will be having a panel discussion as well later today. It will explore topics on yoga research, holistic wellness, and the challenges youth face in modern America. So please have any questions prepared. This panel discussion will be later today afternoon. We will now be felicitating the Sangha Chalak and the local Sangha Chalak of Hindu Swayamsevak Sangh, Mananiya Vednanda Ji and Suresh Devpura Ji. Thank you for joining us today, Mananiya Ji and Suresh Ji.
I would just like to mention again that we have carnival games going backside to the stage. So we all can join it, and we have exciting medals too. We have different criteria of games. The games are divided into 4 tracks. We have Bhim track, which will test your strength. We have Patanjali track, which will test your yoga memory. And we have Chanakya track, which will test your memory. So they're quite exciting. I would just like to request everyone to join. So
Next up, we will be having the Andaz dance group performing a patriotic dance for us. The group was founded by a group of young American Hindu teenagers. They will be joining us in a few minutes.
So meanwhile, I was just thinking if any one of you would like to share with us that how you felt when the Ganesh procession was going on. So will any one of you like to volunteer and just come up and share your experiences? And or just what do you think about the importance of dharma and yoga in today's world, being in America? So would anyone just like to come and share their views? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Just.
Namaste. I'm Shashank. Namaste. I'm Shashank. I'm a student at San Jose State University. I'm a part of Hindu Yuva SJSU. Today it was an overwhelming response and welcome to our Ganesh procession, and I thank one and all for showing lots of enthusiasm and energy by being with us and by showing us lots of support and encouragement. Thank you.